Welcome to our automobile channel, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and expert insights into the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari, a hypercar that redefines speed, technology, and exclusivity. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the latest iteration of the LaFerrari continues this legacy with an enhanced hybrid powertrain, aerodynamic refinements, and cutting-edge driver assistance technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari is powered by a more advanced hybrid system that seamlessly integrates an improved V12 engine with an electric motor. This results in a breathtaking power output that surpasses its predecessor, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that few cars can match. The power is channeled through a lightning-fast transmission system, ensuring seamless acceleration and optimal performance on both the track and the road. The enhanced aerodynamics not only improve efficiency but also contribute to the car's aggressive stance and superior downforce. The exterior design of the new LaFerrari is a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. Ferrari has incorporated innovative materials and lightweight construction to enhance both speed and durability. The sleek, sculpted bodywork is designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the car to slice through the air effortlessly. Every curve and bend serves a purpose, from cooling the high-performance engine to optimizing airflow for stability at high speeds. The signature front grille, bold LED headlights, and striking rear diffuser give the LaFerrari an unmistakable presence on the road. Inside the cabin, the 2025 LaFerrari offers a perfect fusion of luxury and performance-focused design. The driver-centric cockpit is crafted with high-quality materials, including carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather. The ergonomic layout ensures that all controls are easily accessible, allowing the driver to focus entirely on the driving experience. A state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while an advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphones and navigation systems. Ferrari has also refined the seating to provide maximum comfort and support, even during high-speed maneuvers. When it comes to performance, the 2025 LaFerrari is nothing short of a masterpiece. The hybrid system delivers instant torque, ensuring rapid acceleration from a standstill. Ferrari's cutting-edge suspension system enhances handling and ride quality, making the car equally at home on winding roads and high-speed straightaways. The intelligent all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction, ensuring that power is delivered efficiently in all driving conditions. With a top speed that pushes the boundaries of what a road-legal car can achieve, the LaFerrari cements its place as one of the most formidable hypercars on the market. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the driving experience of the 2025 LaFerrari. Advanced driver assistance features provide an added layer of safety and convenience without compromising the raw, unfiltered performance that Ferrari enthusiasts crave. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking ensure a secure drive, while track-focused systems allow drivers to push the car to its limits with confidence. The inclusion of AI-powered analytics helps drivers fine-tune their performance, making each drive more engaging and immersive. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2025 LaFerrari is its improved hybrid powertrain, which not only boosts performance but also enhances efficiency. Ferrari has developed a next-generation energy recovery system that maximizes power output while reducing emissions. The integration of an advanced battery pack ensures a seamless transition between electric and combustion power, providing an optimal balance between speed and sustainability. This makes the LaFerrari not just a high-performance machine but also a step towards the future of automotive engineering. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 2025 LaFerrari is more than just a car, it is a symbol of exclusivity and prestige. Ferrari's meticulous attention to detail and commitment to craftsmanship make each unit a masterpiece. With limited production numbers, owning one of these hypercars is a privilege reserved for a select few. The customization options allow buyers to personalize their LaFerrari, ensuring that no two cars are exactly alike. From bespoke paint finishes to unique interior trims, Ferrari offers an unparalleled level of personalization. Driving the 2025 LaFerrari is an experience that words can hardly capture. The combination of raw power, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology creates an unmatched thrill behind the wheel. Whether navigating city streets or unleashing its full potential on a racetrack, the LaFerrari delivers a sensation that is both exhilarating and refined. The sound of the roaring V12 engine combined with the instant torque of the electric motor provides a symphony of performance that resonates with every car enthusiast's dream. As Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence, the 2025 LaFerrari stands as a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. It is a car that embodies the essence of speed, luxury, and innovation, setting new benchmarks in the hypercar segment. For those fortunate enough to experience it firsthand, the LaFerrari offers not just a mode of transportation, but an unforgettable journey into the world of high-performance driving. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you exclusive content on the world's most exciting cars, in-depth reviews, and expert insights. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.